What's up guys, just doing a little update video. Managed to get some work done on the car yesterday, but didn't film any of it because my bloody memory card's playing up. Couldn't find them and they played up. I was like, oh, I just gave up. So I got quite a few hours work done on the car, so I'll talk you through what I did. Ended up doing a little strap brace that ties in to the side here. There's a little tube at each end. Still got to do that. I've pretty much only done this corner, so I've just been tidying up. This is all damaged and all in here was all bent from ramming against the wall and doing burnouts. So I've just been trying to get that back a bit straighter. That wasn't ideal, but it was funny. What else did I do? I made a new little bracket for under here. So a new little spacer bracket with dimple dies and just better shaped. So it holds it out about 50mm. And obviously, as most of you know, I've got the little second guard welded over the top, spacer the top out. And I also made a little, you can't see, mounting bracket in behind here. Still can't see. Tell you what, I might take that, might just unbolt that guard quick and then I can show you the stuff in behind. Oh, there you go. I also took 20mm out of here. This is all lower because of spacing all this guard down. I had to bring all those mount points back up. So I took about 15mm out of here and then re-welded it up just to get the lines back in for the bumper, because the bumper sits along this line. So I'll get this guard off and show you behind it. Alrighty, now that the cover's off, we can see a bit clearer. This is the little bracket I made up the front. I don't know. Oh man, this focus is shocking. Right, on manual. See if I can get it on manual. I'll have to zoom in instead. I made this little bracket with the M5 riv nut. Just tying it to there. I might make a little gusset up here yet. Let's see, stiffen it up a bit. And along here is where you see just spot welded that on. You can see it a bit clearer with no guard on. Should do the trick nicely. And under the guard here, that's the little dimple dyed plate I made for under there. Stiffens it up nicely. I used to have just like a flat plate on there and the bottom half of the guard, but I don't know, I didn't like the look of it. It's a bit hoary to be honest, but now I've tied it all into the back here, nice and stiff. In the front, where I shortened it up like 15 odd mil, just to get the body lines back in the right place. So now I just got to do all this to the other side, make it look the same. But the only problem is, the other side's going to be harder because some drunken idiot, being me, backed into the bloody garage door, doing skids on these. So backing back into the garage door, I was over a bit far and it clipped on here, pulled it round. It's not too bad really. Just gonna have to massage it all back. It's got a bit of a crease down in there, but it'll hammer back. I've done worse. So a bit of a pain in the ass, but I'll have to shorten the front of that one up as well, so that it's the same. Get that body line. You can sort of see it there actually. You can see how that corner. Oh man, this focus. That corner should be up here. It's like this side's about, here's about 14-15mm. So just got to cut that, motor back up, and then finish mounting up the front plastics. Just riv nutting to this bar. Actually, that's what I did the other day too. Just made little brackets here and in there to help hold the front valence on, which I drilled full of holes. And I'll do the same, some sort of little bracket up here to hold the kidney. grill. So it should be pretty sweet. Oh, there's my template. Boop, boop, boop. So I'm hoping that I can make it to Carnival in 3 or 4 weeks time, but I'll see how far I get in the car. If I don't get the car far enough to where I think I want to take it out or whatever, then I won't bother, but hopefully we got to drive it again. So yeah, thanks for checking out the update. I'm going to probably do a video as well on how I did the rear guards and the widening and all that, because I had heaps of people asking about that. It's pretty easy really, but yeah, we'll do that. Just for checking this video out, and woo, I don't like compression.